Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a mobile hotspot on Android and how to use it. First of all, you must go to the setting of your phone and then you must click the more. It's relating to the network, and after that you must click the mobile network sharing. And as you can see, here is the information of mobile network sharing. On the top of the screen you can see portable Wi-Fi hotspot, and you must click it. And as you can see, here is the basic setting of the portable Wi-Fi hotspot, and I'm gonna to explain every one of them. And as you can see, keep Wi-Fi hotspot on. It says uh, how many, for example, do you want to keep Wi-Fi hotspot being on always, or turn it off for 5 minutes later, or turn it off 10 minutes later? But I choose the always, because I want when I turn it on, it's be on for always. And the next one is configure Wi-Fi hotspot. In this case, here is network name. For example, this is my network name, and for example, it is an optional things. You can choose any other name that you want. And the second option is security. You can choose a security for your Wi-Fi connection, for Wi-Fi hotspot. For example, WPA2PSK, but I didn't choose any security. And the end of this screen you can see reset OBB. Reset OBB means after clicking reset OBB, all the configuration hotspot that you changed, it comes back to the default configuration. But I don't want to reset OBB. And here, as you can see, maximum connection allowed. It means how many users can connect to your hotspot Wi-Fi. I choose one user. For example, you can choose 2, 3, or it depends on you. And after that, I click the save. And here at the end of the screen you can see the number of people connected user and the block users. So the configuration of Wi-Fi hotspot is finished, and I'm gonna to make it on. And after make it on, you can see the hotspot is active and the hotspot is on, and any devices can connect to your Wi-Fi. And as you can see, so my hotspot Wi-Fi is on and it doesn't have any problem. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.